To wipe cache partition in recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you will need to use an USB cable, and you need to connect your phone to the computer. So once you connect the phone to the computer with the USB cable, then we need to turn off the phone. And after that, you need to wait for the charging icon to show up in the middle of the screen, as well as the information about the battery at the bottom. So let's wait for that. There we go, we have the icon. And soon we should also see the battery percentage information. After that, we can press and hold the power button and volume up button, and we need to hold these two buttons until we are in the recovery mode. So once you see this information, then we can press and hold both of these buttons that I mentioned, so the power button and volume up, and hold it like that until you see the recovery mode. And there we go, we are now in Android recovery mode. Here we navigate with volume up and down. So we need to select wipe cache partition, and then you confirm your choice by using the power button. Once you go over here, you want to select yes, and then once again confirm by pressing the power button. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!